Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Diana, and in today's video I'll be doing a Shein haul. So these are the two packages that I purchased on Shein. If you haven't liked, commented and subscribed, you can go ahead and do so right now, and let's get straight into this video. So this is the first package. This is the second package. Okay, so let's start by opening up this one. Oh, damn. The first item I'll be unboxing for you guys is the Glass Mason Overnight Oats Jar. It consists of 4 jars for 20 USD. I bought this to meal prep delectable oats to assist with my goal of healthy eating. The second item is the African Exfoliating Net Sponge. It's beneficial for improving blood circulation, aiding with product absorption, assisting with eliminating back acne, and several other functions. I also purchased a second one that has handles, which makes it easier to scrub the back. Some people often tend to neglect that area, but it's really important to scrub your back properly to avoid back acne. I got this exfoliating brush to eliminate dead skin cells and clog my pores, improve circulation and the appearance of my cellulite. is the third African net sponge that I bought. I bought several of them in case one of them is dirty. I can go ahead and use any of them that is available at the time. I got 2 kojic acid soaps to fade my dark spots and 2 wax beads to apply inside of my wax warmer. I got these lash clusters to enhance my look. I don't really know how to install them as yet, but I'll go watch a video so I can learn how to. I got this wig kit to install my wigs. So yeah, it comes with a lace glue and a lace remover along with a melting van. I got this melting spray to melt the lace of my wigs and some beauty blenders so I can go ahead and do my makeup. When I saw this dress, I immediately fell in love with it. I got it in a size small, and yeah, I would say that this dress fits me very nicely. It accentuates my curves. So this is actually my favorite dresses out of all the dresses that I've purchased off Shein. This is most definitely one of my favorite purchases from Shein. I got it in a size small and I really love it because it shapes out my curves just like the previous one that I showed you guys. So it's probably like my second favorite out of all of them. And yeah. So this one that I'm opening up right now is my third favorite dress because it actually shapes out my body how I like it to. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys how it looks, and I'll be doing a haul for all of these dresses so you guys can see how it fits me. I usually get my dresses in size small because most Shein items tend to run big. And this one is a dress that I didn't really have any high expectations on, but when I wore it I was absolutely amazed because when I tell you, I thought that this dress would have fit me like, I thought that it would make me look like I had no type of body or anything like that, but it actually fit me very nicely. This dress is actually a really nice dress. The only regret that I have is because I purchased a size small and my boob tends to slip out whenever I tie it up. So a size medium would have been a better option. But other than that, I really love this dress. And this one, I got this in case I had to go out on any dinner dates or a brunch or anything like that. But yeah, I know the dress doesn't really look nice when I show it to you, but once I do the try on all, you guys will see how perfect that this dress really is. This dress is another one of my favorites. I'm telling you, sis, don't walk to get this dress, run. If your guy sees you in this dress, if you're already not married, he will drop down to his knees and immediately propose to you. Take my word for it. I purchased these tank tops in case I wanted to go ahead and run an errand and I just wanted to throw something on and rush out of the house. So yeah, these are very basic and you can go ahead and wear them with 3/4 pants or jeans pants, whatever you'd like. But yeah, they're really cute. This is another one of my favorite dresses. I absolutely love it. I'm not sure as to where I will be wearing it to as yet, but I got it just in case I have to go somewhere. So I think that I got this in a size small, although I feel like I could have sized up to a size medium because of the design in the back. Okay guys, so this is the end of the Shein haul. If you enjoyed this video, you could go ahead and leave a like, comment and subscribe, and you can stay tuned for part 2 where I will be trying on the clothes that I got from Shein for you. So bye guys.
We were young, chasing dreams, didn't know what life would mean. Running wild, hearts full of fire,